I am Mikhael Santos and I am the Devops Lead at Streamr. The Devops Lead is someone that's responsible at looking at the processes that the developers use to get a feature from development into production and has responsibility in putting the product into production. Startups with the speed-up mentality tend to kind of forget to set up certain quality measures because it's deliver. Like investors or stakeholders, they just want results. The main things is you have to set up testing, both locally and for integration, and then automation so that you don't have the problem that is, it runs on my computer, but it doesn't then run in production. So when I came to Streamr, there was no continuous integration pipeline or continuous deployment pipeline, especially at the time we were launching the marketplace. And I set up the continuous integration pipeline for the marketplace that was 100% functional, which then led for the deployment to be so easy and actually to work on that day. I remember especially before Henry launched it, calling to a friend of mine in Brazil saying, test the website now to make sure.
2, 1, and we are live.
When the marketplace launched and everything was functional, it was relief because I had just came to the company very recently, and to set up the whole pipeline for the developers to be able to use it and deliver the process in March, April, May, basically 3 months was pretty cool. It was nice. As you become more senior as an engineer, you understand that it cannot be just hard skills. There's also soft skills because at the end of the day, you're working with people. DevOps is about empowering the developers. So the idea is I do not force upon them processes and these frameworks. I show what are the benefits and they make the decision if they want to use it or not. What really excites me about the Streamr project is the decentralized network that we're working on and the community products. I think those are the two products that are really revolutionary. For example, the network, there is nothing that exists already, a decentralized peer-to-peer network. And there is nothing like the community product that will allow multiple people to sell their data and get actually revenue distributed automatically. It doesn't exist, and that is where blockchain really changes technology as we know it now.